What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Ja Khan, representing Church Van Music. Just received the blue bottle rocket, stage 1, just came in. You know, it's used, bought it from Guitar Center in California, Hollywood, on their used website, but it just came in, and you know, finna get ready to open this thing and let y'all see what it's all about. Bunch of cushion. One of the boxes right here from Blue, wood box. Most likely the capsule. Which is nice B8 capsule. Which I told it was a B6, but I guess not, so it's the B8 capsule, you know, but it's all good. Second box is the blue bottle rocket, you know. Just look like this, blue bottle rocket, and there it is, ladies and gentlemen. You got the capsule, which is a B8, excuse me, and you got the bottle part, the body part, stage 1. Thank you for tuning in. It's your boy Ja Khan signing off from Church Van Music. Until next time, continue to follow me as I follow music, as I follow Christ, and that's what it is. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and God bless. Have a blessed evening.